Hello guys, want to use Google Assistant as a language interpreter on your Android phone? Here's an easy way how to do it. So firstly, make sure that your Google Assistant is enabled on your device. To do this, open the Settings app, click on it, and here scroll down to the Google section. Open it, here tap on All Services, and then scroll down until you see Search, Assistant, and Voice. Then simply tap on Google Assistant and click on Voice Match. And make sure that this toggle for Hey Google is blue. Hey Google, be my Spanish interpreter.
Hola, estoy aquí para...
So when the interpreter mode is active, speak the phrases in your native language and Google Assistant will translate them into the selected language, but firstly click on that microphone icon. And to exit the interpreter mode, just swipe up. And now you know how to use Google Assistant as a language translator on your Android device. And if this video was helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.